People evacuated the southern shore of Long Island to come up to the northern shore in order to escape the flooding. But on the northern shore, it seems that there was a twister, electrical fires, damage, devastation, trees falling over, the high winds. Hurricane Irene, she didn't miss 1 inch of Long Island, it's looking like. Let's hope that they don't stop the fire before it gets bad. Have you ever seen an electrical fire before?
Yes, I have. Yes,
okay.
I have.
Now, how hard are they to put out? What do you think is going to be?
Well, right now they got to get a lighting company here to shut the power down. That's the most important thing to get done, is get the power shut down and people be safe again in the area. Right now they're not.
I don't know if you can hear what I am hearing or see what I am seeing, but this is incredible. The fact that they have not been able to contain this, and it's been almost 45 minutes. I mean, if anything, now you can see the smoke is going, and it's just, it doesn't look like it's getting any better. If anything, it is getting worse here.